Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Multivan Energetic. This van comes with a 1.4 TSI petrol hybrid engine pushing out 218 PS. The van also comes fitted with a 7-speed DSG Automatic gearbox and comes in the metallic paint colour Reflex Silver. Across the front of the vehicle, set into the front bumper, the van comes with front parking sensors, and just above this multivan comes with Volkswagen's new IQ Light LED matrix headlight technology, which includes a poor weather light and a cornering light. Down below, the van sits on the 18-inch Toshima alloy wheels, which come in an anthracite grey and a multi-spoke design. Dotted along the rear bumper is a set of rear parking sensors, and located just above the rear number plate is a rear view camera system. The van comes with a tailgate which can be electrically operated from within the cab or with the key fob. Behind the tailgate is a spacious load area or boot space. Down below there is a few lashing points as well as an adjustable parcel shelf. There is also a bag with the charging cable. The van comes with twin power sliding doors, behind which there is a 3-seater bench in single seat configuration. There is 2 seats in the middle, and in the middle of those 2 seats there is a foldable and retractable table with drinks holders. A simple push of the button and the tables can extend. The van also features a fixed panoramic glass roof with 90% tints. Up front in the driver's cab there are some more of the comfortable cloth interior seats, finished in the raven and sand colour combination. This multivan comes with a full Harman & Kardon premium sound system with 13 speakers, as well as ambient lighting with a choice of 30 colours. There is also some creature comforts such as 2 drinks holders and a USB-C charger. The van comes with a 10-inch colour touchscreen with app control and navigation, and also features the Digital Cockpit Pro, along with the leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel. This vehicle comes with minimum 1-year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or call us on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.